Hello my dear students, welcome to mathematics class. Dear students, we are doing unit 14 symmetry of your NCERT book, and in my previous video I have shown you some real objects which are symmetrical to each other, and I explained you that how this chapter is used in our day-to-day life. Now let us start 14.1 exercise. Dear students, our first question is copy the figures with punched holes. Here are some punched holes and find the axis of symmetry for the following. We need to make the axis of symmetry like this so that the mirror image will be same. हमें line of symmetry बनानी है, axis of symmetry बनानी है, so that कि उसका left part या right part या ऊपर वाला above part और below part they are exactly same. Like these two punch holes are there. तो मैं वो कैसे fold करूँ figure को कि ये दोनों एक दूसरे की copy लगें. If I'll make the line like this vertical using scale and pencil, बिल्कुल बीच में बना देती हूँ. तो आप देख रहे हैं इफ़ आई फोल्ड इट, मैं इसे फोल्ड करूँगी तो ये दोनों एक दूसरे के ऊपर ओवरलैप करेंगे. लाइक इन दिस शेप वी कैन यूज स्केल टू ड्रॉ द लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री लाइक दिस डायगनली, सो दैट ये दोनों होल, ये वाला पार्ट एग्जैक्टली सिमिलर रहेगा इसके. यहाँ पर कैसे करेंगे? वी विल मेक हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. हेयर अगेन वी विल मेक हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री सो दैट जहाँ पर ये पंच होल है वहीं पर ये आ रहा है उसके बिल्कुल अपोजिट और ये अपोजिट. तो वी हैव टू मेक द लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्रीज और एक्सेस ऑफ सिमेट्रीज इन सच अ वे दैट बोथ द पंच होल्स विल exactly overlap it. So let me show you the solution to this question now. Like the first figure is there, two punch holes are there. So by making the vertical line of symmetry, here the line of symmetry is vertical, तो हम देख रहे हैं लेफ्ट और राइट वाला पंच होल एग्जैक्टली दे आर अपोजिट टू ईच अदर. इन सेकेंड केस टू मेक देम अपोजिट टू ईच अदर वी विल मेक diagonal line of symmetry diagonally. So for this we will make horizontal line of symmetry. Dear students, use pencil and scale to draw these line of symmetries in your notebook. Here again in this figure we will draw the horizontal line of symmetry so that you can see that both the punch holes will appear opposite to each other. अगर मैं इसकी line of symmetry vertical बनाऊंगी तो वो एक दूसरे का copy नहीं लगेंगे, so we will make it horizontally. In this case multiple line of symmetries are there, like vertical is there. vertical बनाते हैं तो ये दोनों holes एक दूसरे के opposite रहेंगे. If I'll make it horizontal then also they are opposite to each other, these two and these two. If I'll make it diagonally then also they will be opposite to each other. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 line of symmetries are there. Now in F part you can see a punch hole in the middle is given to us and two on the vertices. So how to make the line of symmetry? हम इसके line of symmetry vertical बनाएंगे so that ये left में आ रहा है, ये उसके just opposite right में, and the middle punch hole will be divided into two parts by making the vertical line of symmetry. Now similarly in G part we'll draw vertical line of symmetry. This is left punch hole is exactly opposite to right punch hole. Here we will draw horizontal line of symmetry. Here the top punch hole is exactly opposite to the bottom punch hole. Here we are making it vertically, क्योंकि इसे हम अगर horizontally ऐसे बनाते हैं तो shape vary कर जाएगी. So vertical option is there. We will draw it vertically. Then in this case we can draw two line of symmetries. One is vertical and other is horizontal in this way. Then in this last figure 4 punch holes are there. We can draw multiple line of symmetries like vertical, horizontal and two diagonals. So 4 line of symmetries we can draw. So draw all these line of symmetries in your notebook also, making this table using pencil and scale. Now last part is there. Here 3 punch holes are there, so only one line of symmetry is possible. If अगर हमारे पास यहाँ दे देते तो we can draw one more, 2, 3 more, but only 3 are there, so we will make it vertically only. Now dear students, question number 2 is there. Give the line or lines of symmetry, find the other whole. हमें गिवन है, गिवन द लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री, हमें लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री इस बार गिवन है. हमें बताना है कि वो जो पंच होल एक तरफ का हमें दे रखा है, दूसरा हमें खुद बनाना है. सो लाइक इफ इट इज़ हियर, तो इसका अपोजिट क्या होगा यहाँ पर. दिस इज़ द करेक्ट पंच होल विल मेक, दिस इज़ रॉन्ग. सिमिलरली इट इज़ हेयर, तो जस्ट अपोजिट हम यहाँ पर बनाएंगे पंच होल. इट इज़ हेयर ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, तो उसके बिल्कुल अपोजिट यहाँ बनाएंगे पंच होल. इट इज़ हेयर, तो इसके बिल्कुल अपोजिट लाइन के पास यहाँ पर बनाएंगे हम पंच होल. हेयर 2 आर देयर, तो अगर मैं फोल्ड करती हूँ, दे आर नॉट अपोजिट टू ईच अदर. इसके अपोजिट यहाँ पर आएगा एंड अपोजिट टू दिस इट विल लाई हेयर. तो ये ध्यान से बनाना है बेटा. गिवन लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्रीज आर गिवन टू यू and you need to make the punch holes. So I'll show you the figures also how they look like. So see, one punch hole is given to us just opposite to this. This bottom punch hole is given to us, so we'll take another punch hole on the top part and opposite to this. Here it is on the left hand side, so we'll make the other one on the right hand side. It is on the above part, so we'll make it opposite to this. Here 2 are there, so one we have to make opposite to this one like this, and other opposite to this on this part like this. Now dear students, question number 3 is there. In the following figures, the mirror line or the line of symmetry is given as a dotted line. The line of symmetry is given to us. Complete each figure performing reflection in the dotted mirror line. Are you able to recall the name of the figure you complete? So 2 things we have to do in this question. 1, we have to complete the figure. हमें लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री दे रखी है, हमें उसकी लेफ्ट साइड दे रखी है. वी नीड टू मेक द आइडेंटिकल राइट हैंड साइड. यहाँ भी लेफ्ट दे रखी है, राइट. सो दिस इज द वे टू कंप्लीट द फिगर्स एंड वी हैव टू नेम देम ऑल्सो. विच फिगर डू वी obtain after completing it? So let me show you. So here this is the question figure given to us which is incomplete. The left part is given to us, so complete it by drawing the right part. And which shape is this? It is a sphere. Make this table in your notebook. Then left part of the triangle is given to us, just complete it by making the right part. And which shape is this? This is a triangle. After that C part, dear students, this left part is again given to us. So right part will be just opposite to this, identical to this, and it is a rhombus shape. Then left part of the circle is given to us. Use the compass to complete it and you'll get a circle by completing it. Now here you can see one complete side, 2 and the third is half. तो इसके बराबर हमें ऐसे ही इधर ड्रॉ करना है like this. This is slanting, तो हमें slanting ड्रॉ करनी है. This is slanting side, this is. So which shape we will get? We'll get pentagon. Then next 1, 2, 3. These 3 complete sides are there. जो हमारी middle में है वो half half होती हैं हमारी. So by completing it we'll get a octagon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8-sided polygon is known as octagon. So complete these shapes in your notebook. Make this table. Now dear students, our question number 4 is the following figures have more than one line of symmetry. एक से ज़्यादा line of symmetry, like this rectangle is having vertical line of symmetry as well as horizontal. Such figures are said to have multiple lines of symmetry. तो जिसके एक से ज़्यादा होती है उन्हें बोलते हैं हम multiple lines of symmetry they are having. Like this square is having vertical, 2 horizontal, 3 diagonal, 4 diagonal. 4 line of symmetries. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 petals are there. So 6 line of symmetries they have drawn. We can make one more also like horizontal. We can draw one more like this. Horizontal line of symmetry also, right? But they have shown us 6. 3 line of symmetries, 1, 2, 3. So we can make one more like this. Many more can be drawn. like this we can draw, like this we can draw, diagonally also. So we can get 3, they have shown us 3 more we can draw, means total 6 of line of symmetries are possible in this figure. So identify multiple lines of symmetry in each case, if any, in each of the following figures. तो इसकी अगर हमें लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री बनानी पड़े तो देखेंगे कैसे बना सकते हैं. हर एक वर्टेक्स से हम एक वर्टिकल बना सकते हैं लाइन. लाइक दिस इज़ वन लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, देन वी कैन ड्रॉ वन लाइक दिस. यूज स्केल, we can draw like this. This is 3 lines of symmetries are there. If any other is possible, you can draw that. In this case, we can draw this line of symmetry vertical, then also the left and right parts are identical. We can draw, use scale to draw, do not use, but we can take this horizontal line of symmetry also. In this case also, we can draw a vertical line of symmetry like this. This is also possible because left or right part possible हो जाता है, तो हमें वो बनानी है जो possible हो, like this. So I'll show you the figure. So here you can see in this figure the vertical, from each vertex they have drawn line of symmetries and equal line of symmetries. 3 lines of symmetries are there. Here 2 are possible, vertical and horizontal. Here again from each vertex line of symmetry is possible. Here diagonal line of symmetry is 2 possible. Here in this case vertical and horizontal diagonals are also possible. In this figure beta you can draw this vertical, then we can draw a horizontal line of symmetry, then a diagonal line of symmetry, one more diagonal line of symmetry, because it is enclosed in a square. And in case of a square we can draw 4 line of symmetries like this. So in this case we can draw only 1 line of symmetry like this. तो एक ही बनेगी इसमें. It is having only 1 line of symmetry, because if I'll draw word horizontally तो वो same नहीं रहेगा. Here we can draw 1, then 2, then we can draw 3, then we can draw 4, as it is a square again you can see. So in this case you can draw 1 from each and every petal we can draw. This is 1, right, then 2, then 3 lines of symmetries we can draw through this, and many more. If possible we can draw many more. यहाँ से भी बना सकते हैं. अभी हमने छोटे petals के थ्रू बनाया था. Now we can draw from the bigger petals. This is 4, then 5, then 6 lines of symmetries, means we can draw many more. So I hope the concept is clear to you. So make a table like this in your notebook to draw these lines of symmetries. So do complete all these 4 questions in your notebook. That's all for now. Thank you.